Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and add color to this beautiful flower. Let's begin. Colorful flower has petals in all the colors of the rainbow. What's your favorite color on the flower? Colorful flower smells sweet and attracts butterflies and bees. Have you ever smelled a flower before? Colorful flower stands tall and sways in the breeze. Can you stand tall and sway like a flower? And now, let's color together. Let's start with yellow. Then, pink. Next is red. We have orange. A yellow-orange. Then yellow-green. Next is green. We have cyan. A light blue. Next is blue. Then dark blue. And purple. That's better. Colorful flower is a bright and beautiful plant. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.